Hi guys, welcome to Fit Mamamia Cooking. Today I am cooking something very special and interesting dish called Kacang Pool. In English called pool dish with minced meat in the sauce. Isn't it interesting guys? Come and join me and I show you how. Okay, this is the simple ingredients for the kacang pool sauce. This is chopped garlic, 5 pieces, and a shredded ginger, 1 inch, 2 red onions. I cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. This is the broad bean. I'm using 250 ml. And this is the minced beef. I'm using 200 gram, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And additional, later I'm going to fry the egg. For the garnishing, this is the green chili and the calamansi. And this one is the bread, eat with bread. Okay, now start cooking. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. The garlic and the ginger. The onion. Add in the curry powder. Now add in the minced meat. Then add in the salt and the sugar. Now I can add in the broad bean that I pounded just now. This broad bean. Just pound a little bit. We need to skip the gravy later. So we don't need to use the flour. Okay. Now I'm going to add in about 3 cups of water. Okay, let it boil about 5 minutes until the gravy a bit thick. So while waiting for the gravy, I'm going to fry the eggs. Frying pan eggs is like this. For a little bit of oil, just a little bit. I'm going to taste the gravy, but it's still watery, so I have to wait until a little bit thick. Let's try first. Nice. Maybe a little bit more salt. Add in 1 more teaspoon of salt. The eggs no need to turn because I want the egg to be half cooked on top. Okay, the eggs are already done. I want it to be like this. See guys? Okay, I want the egg to be like this. It's a half cooked. The sauce also already cooked. So it's like this, guys. You can see the gravy. This is the gravy. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to prepare and I'll show you. It's very interesting. Kacang in the pool. So I have the half fried egg down there, and the sliced green chilies, the calamansi, squeezed calamansi, and I would like to add in a raw chopped onion. Some people don't like raw onion. But for me, I like to add in a little bit. So let's try. So this is a pool. It's a kacang in the pool. Wow, it's awesome. The gravy, so nice. Usually, kacang pool we eat with the bread, not rice. Some people eat this for breakfast or tea time or any time. For me, I'm eating this for my dinner. Really good. Hope you learned something today, guys. This is simple and special. You cannot get it from outside other countries. So please try. And if you think you like my cooking, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.